How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to get a Payoneer Business MasterCard in an Envato. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all you guys have to do is basically log into your Envato Market account. So assuming that you have one, you should be good to go. So just go to their homepage, log in, and on the dashboard, you want to click on Payouts. So this one right here. So when you guys click on payouts, there should be a drop down menu with a bunch of different options to choose from. So from here, you want to click on set account or change account if you already have a different payout method or gateway set for your Envato account. So assuming that you don't, you want to select set account, and obviously we're going to go for Payoneer with this method. So once you've selected Payoneer as the payment method and click register here, you'll be redirected to a new page where you'll be doing a Payoneer sign up, or rather, simply put, you'll be signing up for a Payoneer account. But assuming that you have one already, you can just log in from there and basically give Envato authorization to use Payoneer as a payment platform or gateway. So once you have all of that in order, you should be good to go. And to complete the registration, here's what you guys need. So your full name, email address, date of birth, your address, um, phone number, bank account details. So once you fill out all of that, you should be good to go. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. Quite simple. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.